Good evening, YouTubers. This is Off-Centered Potter. Today I have a new project I wanted to show you. This piece that you see here is not finished, but it just came out of the kiln a little while ago, and it is more really just an experiment to see if this project is going to work. What I've done here is this is cheap white tile that you can buy at any hardware store. I think this piece of tile cost me like 16 cents. And I've taken some porcelain, kind of pressed it real thin, and just set it on the tile. And then I fired it. The reason I did that is I wanted to see what would happen if the porcelain would stick to the tile. And as you can see, the glaze on the tile has caused the porcelain to kind of adhere to the tile face. Now, what I want to do with this is I thought how fun it would be to take the time to roll out some thin porcelain and maybe make some flowers or plants or other sorts of things that would be kind of like a 3D effect on this tile. Set it on the tile, fire it, then fire it again with low fire or maybe high fire glazes to obviously color the piece. And then this could be mounted in like a shadow box or something like that and hung on the wall. So this particular piece doesn't look anything like a flower or anything like that. This is more just an experiment to see kind of if this is going to work. Let me show you what it would look like mounted in a shadow box. Okay, so here's that piece, and here's a shadow box that I bought specifically for this project. As you can see, I can just glue, maybe hot glue or super glue somehow that in, and that will make an interesting little piece to hang on the wall. Very easy. I'm not going to do it with this test piece, but I just wanted to see if this project was going to work. So I'm going to do some more of these, and this time kind of take some time to do something a little bit more thought out and give it a shot, and I'll show you guys the result. So stay tuned for the next video on the raised porcelain pieces on ceramic tile.